In this video, we'll show you exactly how to remove an account from your iPhone, whether it's an Apple ID, email account, or any other service linked to your device. Follow this simple, step-by-step guide to remove unwanted accounts safely and securely. Step 1. Open the Settings app. To start, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app from your home screen. Step 2. Access the Account Settings, scroll down, and find the Mail or Passwords and Accounts on older iOS versions section. Tap on it. Step 3. Choose the account to remove. In the Accounts section, you'll see a list of all the accounts linked to your device, like Gmail, iCloud, Yahoo, etc. Tap on the account you want to remove. Step 4. Remove the account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Delete Account. You may need to confirm this action by selecting Delete from My iPhone. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the account. Tap Delete to confirm. Step 6. Final check. Once the account is removed, you should see that it no longer appears in the accounts list. You can now go back to the main settings screen. Bonus tip: if you're removing an Apple ID or iCloud account, make sure to back up your data first, as removing the account will erase any associated data from your iPhone. Conclusion: that's it. You've successfully removed an account from your iPhone. It's always a good idea to check your settings after doing this to ensure everything is in order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.